we've got some bad news. Pike flocked off. But the mother effer came back. Can't believe it. She was like, they flew for a second time after a couple hours. Went down front of the house all the way down. There's someone there with racing pigeons. I'm like, nah, this is gone. Came back. Same day, it's what we want. That is what we want. So that's off the silver on the crazy blue-red bars, grandfather. Definitely got bananas. It's got bananas. Birds eat alright. Just about them getting fit. Still all these younger ones that haven't even come out of the loft yet. So slowly get there. There's going to be losses, like I can tell. But grateful for that one to come back.